Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder under review. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder under review, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will search the application of Tinder and you will enter. When you find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can make errors. And then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store and you can update your app. If you will find here update in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.